Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2023 Haval Jolion, stock number 6855. Let's run from the second 2021 to the current shape. It has an A01 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front door mirror, small scratch along the top. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear door, one dent. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Head AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,